2013 paper 2, question 8. So you've got a search is begun for a buoy that has become detached from its mooring at sea. The area to be searched is a circle of radius 30 from the last known position K of the buoy. The search area is divided into 6 equal sectors as indicated by the letters A, B, C, D, E, F. So fishing boats search the triangular area of KAB. So find the angle BKA. So we know that all of this adds up to 360. So all we need to do is 360 divided by how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. So if you're not sure, 360 divided by 6 gives you 60 degrees. Find the area of the triangle KAB. So half the base multiplied by the perpendicular height. You don't have the perpendicular height here, you don't have the base, so you're going to use the other one. So half AB sine C. So you're going to do half. So A and B are just the sides. Okay, so this is a radius of 30, so this is also 30. So half of 30 times 30 times the sin of the angle. Well, in here it's 60 degrees, so sin 60. So you just do a half, multiply by 30, multiply by 30, multiply by the sin of 60, and that gives you 389.7. So they don't want it to any particular decimal place, so 389.7 is fine, and this is in kilometers, and this area, so it's kilometers squared. For part 3, write the area of the triangle KAB as a percentage of the area of the sector KAB. So for a sector, do the angle over 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius squared. So the angle here is 60. So you do 60 over 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius squared. The radius is 30. So 30 squared. So 60 over 360. Whoops. Multiplied by pi multiplied by 30 squared is equal to 471.2 meters squared. So write the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle is 389.7 as a percentage of the area of the sector. That's 471.2. It's asking me for a percentage, so I multiply by 100. So 389.7 over 471.2 multiplied by 100. So that is 82.7%. For part 4 then, use the cosine rule to find the length of A to B. So cosine rule, write down the formula. So A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos of A. So A to B. So it's asking you to find from here to here. So remember that this always has to be across from the angle. So that's going to be A, that's 60. And then B and C are just the radius. So we're just going to do x squared is equal to 30 squared plus 30 squared minus 2 times 30 by 30 by the cos of 60. Okay, because B and C are just the angle, the sides that's around the angle, and 60 is the angle. So I'm going to put that into my calculator. So 30 squared plus 30 squared minus 2 times 30 by 30 cos of 60. Get an answer there of 900. So x squared is equal to 900. I'm looking to find what x is, so I just square root 900. And once I square root 900, I get 30. So A to B here is 30 kilometers. So this is actually an equilateral triangle.